In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Go High Level. Go High Level is a fantastic tool used by many to streamline their business processes. And today, we'll focus on creating forms that can help gather and manage information seamlessly. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in Go High Level in the search bar and then select the official website, which you will find as www.gohighlevel.com. Once there, you'll need to log in to access your account. Use your credentials to log in, ensuring that you have the necessary access rights to create and manage forms within the platform. Upon successfully logging in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on the Sites option. Under Sites, you'll see an option labeled Forms. Click on this to start the process of form creation. If everything is set up correctly, you should now see a button labeled plus Add Form. Go ahead and click this to open up the form builder. This tool is central to crafting your form, and it's both flexible and user-friendly. Now at this stage, you will have the ability to add and customize the fields based on the information you wish to collect. Whether it's a simple contact form or a more detailed data gathering tool, you can customize everything according to your needs. Make sure to include all the essential fields that will help you gather the most accurate and necessary data from your respondents. Next, it's time to add custom elements to your form. This could include checkboxes, drop-down menus, and even file upload options. Custom elements are a great way to tailor your form, ensuring it meets the specific requirements of your project or business needs. Use this opportunity to enhance the user experience and make the form as engaging as possible. With the fields and custom elements in place, it's important to adjust the settings of your form to ensure it behaves correctly when users interact with it. Adjusting settings might include setting up automated responses, managing notification settings, and ensuring the form is mobile responsive. This step is crucial for optimizing the form's functionality and user-friendliness. Once your form is ready, the next step is to integrate it. Go High Level makes this easy with an Integrate Form option. By clicking this, you will receive an embed code that you can place on your website or a direct link to the form. Decide how you'd like to distribute your form, depending on where and how you want users to access it. Finally, to wrap up, click the Save button to finalize all your hard work. This will ensure all changes are committed and your form is ready for deployment. Once saved, your form is ready to be shared with your audience, whether through a direct link or integrated into a site. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to create a form in Go High Level. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out other videos for more tips and tricks.